Hello, I am David, the AI-powered tutor. Did you know that this video series was created using an artificial intelligence-powered video automation bot? If you would like to know more about its features, please visit ai.datascience.1. Hello world. Welcome to the Introduction to Python Programming video tutorial by Data Science Academy. In this video tutorial, we will learn sets. If you have missed watching our previous videos, the entire playlist is available in the description. Have fun programming in bits. As a general guideline, we ask you to pause the video while you are trying the commands and you're idle. A screenshot with the output of the commands will usually follow. This will be the approach of asking you to try the commands yourself and comparing the results. If you are getting similar outputs, you can continue playing the video tutorial. If you are having trouble getting similar output, please contact us or leave a comment behind. Let us start by refreshing our memories of what we have learned so far about data types in Python. Data is stored and interpreted in Python as follows: numbers, strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. We will be learning sets in this video. A set is an unordered collection with no duplicate elements. Curly braces or the set function are used to create sets. We create an example set called friends. Note that we have added a hash sign to make sure that it is the end of the line, and that the code continues in the second line too. Here, we have created a set called friends, using curly brackets. The function, type, displays the nature of the object. Calling the variable, we can see that the duplicates have been removed from the set. Sets are useful for checking the membership of an element, that is, whether an element is present in a set or not. Using the same example as before, we can see that Phoebe is part of our set of friends, whereas Gunther is not. Sets can also be created using the set function. Please note that using a pair of empty curly braces will create a dictionary instead. Here we have created an empty set, called emptiness, using the set function. The type function displays the nature of the object, and the len function shows that it is an empty set. When an empty pair of curly braces are used, an empty dictionary is created. In this example it is an empty dictionary called emptiness2. Sets support mathematical operations like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. We will learn a little bit about each operation. First, we will start with union. To understand mathematical operations in sets, we will create two sets, namely A and B. Set A contains the elements 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Set B contains the elements 1, 3, 4, 7, and 8. We use the pipe symbol to display elements present in A, or in B, or both. Because of the union operation, the elements from both A and B have merged, forming a common entity. Therefore, any element present in A or B, or their overlap, will be present in the output. Now we will learn how to perform the mathematical operation of intersection in sets. To understand the mathematical operation of intersection in sets, we will use the same sets, namely, A and B. We use the ampersand symbol to display elements present in both A and B. That is, the elements common to the two sets. Now we will learn how to perform the mathematical operation of difference in sets. To understand the mathematical operation of difference in sets, we will use the same sets, namely, A and B. We use A minus B to display elements present only in A, but not B, or the overlapping zone. Similarly, we can use B minus A to display elements present only in B, but not A, or the overlapping zone. Now we will learn how to perform the mathematical operation of symmetric difference in sets. To understand the mathematical operation of symmetric difference in sets, we will use the same sets, namely, A and B. We use the cap symbol to identify the elements unique to either of the sets. As a small digression, we will learn a little bit about the input function. This function waits for the user to type some text. This text is stored in a variable. Python interprets everything the user enters as a string. To understand user input function with a simple example, we create a variable called name. We will prompt the user to enter their name. After pressing the enter key, the prompt changes, asking for the user to input some text. Using the print function in combination with string concatenation, we can get a nice output such as a welcome note. When it is desirable to have the input text as an integer, we can use the int function. This function converts a string representation of a number to a numerical representation. The process of explicitly converting one data type to another is called typecasting. To use the numerical input provided by the user, we wrap the input function with the int function. Here, we have created a variable called height, and stored the user input value as an integer. This can be visualized using the print function, along with some interesting comment about the person's height. We hope that you learned something new today. Practice what you learned. And see you soon in the next video of this Python programming series. In the next video, we will learn about looping techniques in Python. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.